What's up, future project masters? Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of project management in 2025. That's right, we're not just talking about getting things done today, we're talking about staying ahead of the curve and crushing it in the years to come. Now, whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, this video is your golden ticket to leveling up your game. We're going to be unpacking the hottest tips and game-changing tools that are going to revolutionize the way we manage projects. So if you're ready to ditch the outdated methods and embrace the future of project management, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. First up, we have ClickUp 3.0. This tool is a powerhouse, offering everything from task management to goal tracking all in one place. Next, Monday.com is perfect for visual project planning and team collaboration, making it easy to see who's doing what and when. Asana is another fantastic tool, known for its user-friendly interface and powerful task management features. Trello uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize and prioritize your projects in a fun, flexible, and rewarding way. For those of you in software development, Jira is a must-have for agile project management and bug tracking. And finally, Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. With these tools in your arsenal, you're all set to take your project management skills to the next level. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the big kahuna artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Now I know what you might be thinking, AI, isn't that going to take over our jobs? Listen, AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to make us even better at what we do. Think of AI as your super-powered project management sidekick. Imagine this, you're managing a complex project with a ton of moving parts. In the past, you'd be stuck crunching numbers trying to predict deadlines and allocate resources. But with AI, tools like the all-new ClickUp 3.0 can do a lot of that heavy lifting for you. We're talking predictive analytics that can forecast potential risks before they even become a problem. We're talking about AI-powered automation that can handle those tedious, repetitive tasks that used to suck up all your time. And the best part? This frees you up to focus on what really matters, the strategic decisions, the big picture thinking, and leading your team to victory. No more getting bogged down in the weeds, you're free to be the strategic mastermind you were born to be. But hold on, it gets even better. AI can also help you optimize your resource allocation like a boss. Imagine having an AI assistant that analyzes your team's skills, availability, and workload, and then automatically assigns tasks to the right people at the right time. No more guesswork, no more bottlenecks, just pure optimized efficiency. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but how do I actually implement AI in my projects? Well, the good news is, it's easier than you think. There are tons of incredible AI-powered project management tools out there, like ClickUp 3.0, that are designed to be user-friendly and integrate seamlessly into your existing workflows. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and find what works best for you and your team. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, the key is to learn how to use it effectively to maximize your results. So, embrace the power of AI, my friends, and watch your project management skills soar to new heights. Alright, let's talk about flexibility. In the past, project management was all about sticking to a rigid plan, no matter what. But in today's fast-paced world, things change at the drop of a hat. That's why more and more project managers are ditching the one-size-fits-all approach and embracing hybrid methodologies. Think of it like this. Instead of being stuck with just one project management style, you get to cherry-pick the best elements from different methodologies and create a custom approach that perfectly suits your project's unique needs. It's like having a project management buffet, and you get to load up your plate with all the good stuff. One of the most popular hybrid approaches is combining the flexibility of Agile with the structure of traditional waterfall. This allows you to adapt to changing requirements on the fly, while still maintaining a clear roadmap and timeline. It's like having your cake and eating it too. But here's the key. There's no one-size-fits-all formula for creating a hybrid methodology. It's all about understanding the strengths and weaknesses of different approaches and then tailoring them to your specific project. For example, let's say you're working on a software development project with a tight deadline. You might start with an agile sprint-based approach to quickly iterate and gather feedback. But as the project progresses and the scope becomes more defined, you might transition to a more waterfall-like approach to ensure a smooth and predictable delivery. The key is to be flexible, experiment, and continuously adapt your approach as needed. Remember, project management is not a spectator sport. It's about being proactive, making adjustments, and constantly striving for improvement. And that's the beauty of hybrid methodologies. They empower you to be agile, adaptable, and always one step ahead of the game. So, ditch the rigid frameworks of the past and embrace the power of hybrid methodologies. Your projects will thank you for it. Let's face it, gone are the days of siloed teams and endless email chains. In 2025, it's all about breaking down those barriers and fostering seamless collaboration. And the key to achieving this? Integrated platforms, my friends. Think of an integrated platform as the ultimate project management command center. It's a central hub where all your favorite tools and apps come together in perfect harmony. No more switching between a million different tabs, no more lost files or miscommunication, just pure, unadulterated collaboration. Imagine this. You're working on a marketing campaign with a team spread across the globe. With an integrated platform, you can ditch those clunky email threads and communicate in real time using built-in chat, video conferencing, and file sharing tools. But it gets even better. Integrated platforms allow you to connect your project management software with other essential tools like CRM, marketing automation, and even your accounting software. This means you can manage every aspect of your project from a single unified interface. Talk about a productivity powerhouse. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but won't it take forever to set up and integrate all these different tools? The answer is a resounding no. Most integrated platforms are designed for ease of use and offer seamless integrations with all the most popular tools. And the best part? Integrated platforms can actually save you time and money in the long run by eliminating redundancies, automating tasks, and improving overall efficiency. So drop the fragmented workflows of the past and embrace the power of integrated platforms. Your team, your projects, and your sanity will thank you for it. Let us now talk about data. In the past, project management was often based on gut feelings and intuition. But in today's data-driven world, we have access to a treasure trove of information that can help us make smarter, more informed decisions. Think of data as your secret weapon for project success. By tracking key metrics and analyzing performance data, you can gain invaluable insights into what's working, what's not, and where you need to make adjustments. Imagine this. You're managing a large-scale construction project. By tracking metrics like budget variance, schedule adherence, and resource utilization, you can identify potential risks and bottlenecks early on and take proactive steps to mitigate them. But it gets even better. Data analytics can also help you optimize your resource allocation, improve team performance, and even predict project outcomes with greater accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball for your projects. You're probably thinking, I'm not a data scientist, how am I supposed to make sense of all this data? The good news is, you don't have to be a data whiz to leverage the power of data analytics. Most modern project management tools come equipped with built-in reporting and analytics dashboards that make it easy to track key metrics and visualize performance data. And if you really want to take your data game to the next level, there are tons of affordable data visualization tools available that can help you create stunning and insightful reports. So, toss the guesswork and embrace the power of data-driven decision-making. Your projects will be more successful, your stakeholders will be happier, and you'll be hailed as a project management rock star. Now let us dive into user experience, or UX for short. Now you might be thinking, what does UX have to do with project management? And the answer is, a lot more than you might think. In the past, project management software was often clunky, complicated, and downright frustrating to use. But in today's world, user experience is king. If your project management tools are difficult to use, your team is less likely to adopt them, which can lead to decreased productivity, resistance to change, and a whole lot of headaches. Think of it like this. If your project management software is like a well-oiled machine, your team will be able to work efficiently and effectively. But if it's like a clunky, outdated machine, it's going to slow everyone down and create unnecessary friction. That's why it's so important to prioritize user experience when choosing and implementing project management tools. Look for platforms that are intuitive, easy to navigate, and offer a seamless user experience across all devices. But it's not just about choosing the right tools, it's also about making sure your team knows how to use them effectively. Invest in proper training and onboarding to ensure everyone is comfortable and confident using the new software. And don't be afraid to ask your team for feedback. What do they like about the new tools? What could be improved? By actively soliciting feedback and making adjustments based on user input, you can create a project management environment that is both effective and enjoyable to use. So, dump the clunky software of the past and embrace the power of user experience. Your team will greatly benefit from it, your projects will run smoother, and you'll be one step closer to achieving project management nirvana. We've covered a lot of ground today, but here's the thing about the world of project management. It's constantly evolving, which is why continuous learning and adaptation are more important than ever. Think of it like this: if you're not constantly learning and growing, you're falling behind. The project management landscape is constantly changing, with new technologies, methodologies, and best practices emerging all the time. So how do you stay ahead of the curve? It's all about embracing a mindset of continuous learning. Make it a habit to stay up to date on the latest industry trends, attend conferences and webinars, and connect with other project management professionals. But it's not just about absorbing information. It's about putting that knowledge into practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools. Try out different methodologies and constantly look for ways to improve your processes. Remember, the most successful project managers are the ones who are adaptable, resourceful, and always willing to learn and grow. So, embrace the ever-changing nature of project management, never stop learning, and always be ready to adapt. Your future self will surely appreciate it. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground today, from the power of AI and hybrid methodologies, to the importance of data-driven decision-making and user experience. Remember, project management is not a destination, it's a journey. There's always room for improvement, growth, and innovation. So, embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and never stop striving for excellence. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tips and tools are you most excited to implement in your projects? Let me know in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. And that's a wrap. These project management tips and tools will set you up for success in 2025. Which tool or tip stood out the most to you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on staying ahead in project management.